So hey guys, in this video I'll be talking about the upcoming OPPO Reno 4. I'll be sharing some of the specifications, the launch date, the price and also some of the top features which you can find in this phone. In a tweet, OPPO has officially confirmed the launch date of this phone as 31st of July, which is 31st of this month. I'm eagerly waiting because the phone looks very promising by the design and as well as the spec sheet. Talking about specs, this phone is very thin at just 7.6mm and weighs just 172 grams. The display comes at 6.5 inches. There are three main camera sensors which include a 48MP main sensor, 12LPM ultra-wide, 13MP telephoto lens and on the front there is a 32MP punch hole. And if you are a nervous photographer, then there is a super anti-shake mode which can help you. This feature applies for both front and the rear camera. And also it includes a HDR plus mode so that you do not need to tweak settings before you take a shot or a video. Coming to the battery, it is a 4000 mAh battery which is powered by a 65 watt Super VOOC charging. The colors are crystal blue, crystal red, dream mirror black, titanium black and also there is a special edition green. The specifications include a Snapdragon 765G, 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, Android 10 based on ColorOS 7.2, in-display fingerprint sensor, 5G support and mainly an FM radio. This is a hands-on video and it looks gorgeous on the first look itself. Navigating is smooth as it has a 90Hz panel. Flipping over to the back side, you can see the OPPO branding in bold text and coming to the top, you can see three camera sensors. In this above clip, you can see the difference between a 60Hz panel and a 90Hz panel which is found on the OPPO Reno 4 Pro. And it has a small punch hole on the top left and it has curved edges. As mentioned, 6.5-inch display, 90Hz panel, 180Hz touch response, blue light certification so you do not need to struggle at night and HDR10 certification so that you can watch content on this phone at HDR resolutions. Sound is a plus as it has got Dolby Atmos built into it and the speakers are bottom firing. And you know what, I am eagerly waiting for these phones to launch in India because not only it has got great specifications but all the special features like a curved display and a 90Hz panel on a budget price which is usually reserved for all the premium end phones like the OnePlus 8. So guys, what do you think about this upcoming budget phone? Let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to drop a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Hey, don't you want to know the price? It comes under the sub 30,000 segment.